Advanced TABCO is a major manufacturer in the food service equipment industry. Because of that, we have a very wide array of individual parts. It's not one big block of stainless steel that's cut, notched, folded, welded, polished, shipped out to the customer. We had a lot of bottlenecking in our press brake department, and we had a need for another press brake. So right away I thought of RAS primarily because they're local. That was a big plus. But then what happened, because they were local, we made a variety of parts. They came up with their own pickup truck and picked up the parts. We drove down. They were complete all the way around, very upfront, very honest, answered all the questions possibly needed to be answered. In comparison to other companies, they followed up very welcoming and easy to work with. It's amazing the response that we're getting in our own shop of parts and pieces that we need because of the flexibility of the machine itself. Like any new piece of equipment, you have your challenges. Being local, the maintenance of things that don't work, everything was fixed and taken care of immediately. And we have a very good relationship. And so when it comes time that other people want to buy RAS equipment, we've opened our doors to say, bring them on down. We'll show them what we do and what we like, and we'll say nothing but good things about them.